But what are your expectations? And the time is not a matter, madam. And what are the time that you want to spend? I am ready to spend today. That absolutely no problem. And kindly see to it. It is going to be more of interaction. Excellent. Come on, settle fast, my dear friends. The meaning, like I can spell out that you are my students, but I'm coming out with a word. You are my friends, and whenever I am coming for the next 2 years, all the time, definitely you are my friends, no doubt about it. Because we are management students. When we inculcate such a culture that, right, we are friends, then the movement of speech, the movement of behavior, the movement of activity, it becomes friendly actually. Then you can come out and you have to leave this institution with a bunch of knowledge, right? And with that one you have to go to the industry. Generally educational institutions never advertise and they go for only publicity. That means that definitely you are going to be our publicity managers in the future endeavor and also to be a part of alumni of St. Joseph, right? So friends, why I am trying to say all these things in the sense, if you permit me, for 1 minute I want to recall my parents, right? I think generally two people has to give a lot of importance. Definitely the parents and definitely the teachers who are teaching to you. I think I am talking correct. But unfortunately what is happening, friends, parents are available all the time with you. So we generally don't recognize the importance of our parents. Subject, if you want subject also I will teach you, no problem at all. That based on what kind of questions you are asking. Second thing, more or less the teachers also available to you all these 2 years. Generally, plenty of time, if any stuff is available with you, that too freely, we don't recognize the importance. Is it correct? So that's what I think, wherever there is a platform, for 1 minute, we'll try to recall my parents. That is also, I will dedicate your success to your parents. You are because of here, is it not without the cooperation of your parents? Without the blessings of the teachers in plus 2 and UG level, right? So, friends, actually, she has, I think, Madam Dhanam has read out my biodata. Nearly 14 countries have visited, including the greater countries. The second important thing, I have done almost several positions in the university, and I am standing before you as a head department of business management at Usman University. But the fact is that I failed 7th class. That's what whenever I am coming to it, particularly Christian institutions, I fear of language. That too, hail from a coolie family. Why I am telling you the importance of the parents. When I failed 7th class by 7 marks, that time our chief minister is kind enough to add 5 marks as a moderation. But still 2 marks lagging. 2 things I cannot forget. Generally in village culture, what happens, my dear students? No Jayamati. Let me interact my children with a free of mind. After some time I will come to their house. Generally in village culture, what happens? If a person fails, the entire community of the village defines that this fellow will not suitable to the studies, put for the respective profession practiced by the parents. Our profession is parent schooling. That day, you see the management approach I am trying to say, right? You should have a dare to fail, therefore definitely you have a success of dare in the future actually. So that day the parents are discussing, our son failed, but he is okay. Out of 6 subjects he failed only 1 subject. That doesn't mean that he failed in the entire career. Let us give one more chance to repeat the 7th class. Therefore, I have repeated 7th class 2 times. Second important thing, we had a culture like the Christian institutions. 8th class teacher will come to the 7th class, take all the students to the 8th class, and the 7th class teacher will go to the 6th class, bring all the students to the 7th class. Only one person doesn't have any movement, that is a static one, that is Nageshwara. My friends are moving to the 8th class, and juniors are coming where we, created a problem to them because they are juniors. They are joining with me. That is what, don't create any problem to your juniors. Because seniors are not available here. For the next year, you are going to be the seniors. And definitely you should be the role model for your juniors actually. Right? That is called adoption. Adoption in the sense. So, these two things I never forget in my life. That's why my rich tribute to my parents, where they are not there, 10 years where they have acquired. If there doesn't give a chance to repeat the 7th class 2 times, do you think that I am going to stand before here today? That's what, friends, knowledge base, when you are talking about the KBS, knowledge base system, your parents are having such a knowledge that is imaginable knowledge actually. Right? And whatever there was a saying said by somebody, our brain having much more wider capacity than the sky. I think it's difficult to measure the sky. The process of thinking of your brain is much more than 100 times and maybe much more times than the sky. After that, English became my fascinating language. I did some work on that one. So that's what I'm able to work in 14 different countries. That's what my students, what I'm trying to say. In the movement, I'm telling you carefully listen. Assume that you have done some mistake in the 10th class. I think we must have done some mistakes in the 10th class. There is another room that is called intermediate. You can rectify the mistakes what you have done in the 10th class. Assume that in the intermediate, that is plus 2, you have done certain mistakes. Again there is a room to cover in the degree, that is called UG. Assume that still you have done certain mistakes, knowingly or unknowingly in the UG. Now this is the right platform to correct it. If you do, because after this I don't think you have another course to do it, correct? Now you have to be going to be discharged in the industry. Definitely you have to perform. Whether you are going to perform here or not, that is different. That's what I am telling all my students. When I ask a question, they don't speak. And the major criticism from the industry is your students are having good knowledge but not communication skills. And you without talk in the classroom, and these are the communication skills cannot be. You may be asking father or you may be asking your HOD, sir, madam, you conduct a class to develop a communication skills. A person like me comes and he will spark something blah blah about the communication skills, come go. One day you cannot develop the communication skills. Communication skills should be a natural process of some time and not sometimes a continuous process. That is what your college, your lecture hall, I feel it's a laboratory. Before the product is going to be discharged into the market, you do number of experiments in the lab. But once the product got out of your laboratory into the market, if the customers are going to reject your product, even when bringing back the product back to the lab, to do the re-engineering or the reverse engineering, but the customers will not believe. Customers will not believe. That is what these 2 years, my dear friends, what you have to do, you know it very well. If Father permits what I am trying to say, these 2 years, commit yourself or submit yourself to the St. Joseph. That's it. The remaining job Father will take care. You submit yourself to the college, and submission in the sense, on time coming to the college, listening very carefully, and what is happening, your professors will tell you, and every day you try to interact, and you try to see that generally the placements will take place in the 3rd semester on what things. right? That moment by end of the first year, and you should be confident enough to talk before the interview board. What I'm trying to say, if you do a mistake here, I will correct it. Our faculty will correct it. But if you do a mistake in the interview, they will not take you. That's what a lot of criticism. Recent survey we have interacted with the HDFC and ICA. They said, Maheshwar sir, very sorry to say, your students are only 30% suitable to us. Yes, and the remaining 70%, and we need to train them. I am sorry, we need to retrain them. Generally, we give an induction. It is, we are feeling that we are conducting one more MBA course to the students who already completed MBA course, right? And that should not occur. Therefore, the first point, you remove all this speech, but the first point I request you to remember, submit yourself. Rest we will take care. And after complete submission of yourself, if you fail, that is our responsibility, not your responsibility, but focused one actually. It is, that's what I have a belief in IQ, no doubt. But I have a lot of belief in hard work. The person who is before standing you, if I am an intelligent, how I can fail 70 marks, right? But passion is there for me. And as far as hard work is concerned, I am ultimate. And the professor who are sitting here also. And you see the people who are at the top level in organization, they have an IQ. Without a minimum IQ, do you think that you will get a seat in St. Joseph? You have. But what you need is that refine that IQ. How that refinement of the IQ is possible in the sense? Hard work. Whether you are understanding or not, that will keep aside. Intelligent student, if you read one time, he will understand. Nageshwaran is not intelligent, I will read it 2 times. Like 7th class, I will read it 2 times. I will understand. Right? That is what believe in hard work. Right? And most of the times what happens to students, 1 minute I will stop here, I will continue. First, what are your expectations from me for the next 1 hour or 45 minutes, please? You have to speak. If you don't speak, the time will extend. Not fun either, you have to, you have to speak whatever you expect. If I know, I will tell you. If I don't know, I will go back to the university, learn, I will come back. You see, I have very intelligent students in my college. You know, that day I feel happy, my dear students. How I am reaching to the last bench, right? I feel very happy, my dear friends, because my target is only the last bench. If the last bench people are understanding, definitely the first bench is going to understand. My target is always an average student. My target is always an average student. If the average student is going to understand my lecture, the rest definitely they are going to understand. My target is not intelligent. The way he is intelligent, why should I target them? If I target intelligent student, he will ask a very difficult question to me in the classroom where Nageshwaran is not giving an answer. So I will not touch intelligent students. Let me take the average students of others. Right? So that is what I am trying to say. So up to what karna hai, you have to speak. What are your, at least what are the expectations? I am not asking any question. Sometimes such a students I have, I don't have answers. I feel happy. That's a good day for me because my student friend gave me such an opportunity by putting a difficult question. Let me go back to my house, return with his journals, prepare for some time, come back and answer his question. Learning process. Continuous learning అనేది ఏంటంటే it is not the one day 2 day affairs, my dear friends. It's a continuous approach. Then the things are when we have to take a rest. No question of rest. It's a compartmentalization. When you are in the college, you should not think about the entertainment. When you are in the entertainment, these things will not come out. The biggest joke is, I think our examinations will start from 2 to 4, 2 to 5, because our college is autonomous, you conduct for 3. In university, we have reduced the syllabus, reduced the content only 2 hours. So examination time is 2 o'clock now. If I am speaking something wrong, you try to correct me. Naturally, sir, you are not correct. Up to 2:15 we will permit them. These 15 minutes also students are reading. 2 o'clock they have to enter into the examination hall. 2:15 also, we have to request them. I am the head of the department, please enter into the examination hall. If it is 2:16, I cannot permit you. Because you are my students. Right? So I have to request them to push them into the exam. That means last 15 minutes also, they are very busy in reading up to 2 o'clock. How should I understand them? Last 15 minutes only. How can I understand? You tell me how best I have to understand my students, you tell me. That is, should I say that they are very sincere students, that's why they are reading in the last 15 minutes also. See further how many students are reading. Already examination started, still they are reading. That is why all these things will happen. Because the process what you have adopted is not, I don't think it's correct, but other way around. Right? Once you are confident enough, that's what, when you are entering the examination hall, you have to enter into such a confidence level. That's what in tomorrow in the placement when you are doing a job. And 100% clarity is required. In the content, I will tell you, when you want to get a solution to the problem, I think first you must be having a 100% clarity what is the problem there. Unfortunately, what is happening, we don't know the problem, but we are trying to invent a solution. What? That's what, a funny example, a farmer has gone to a best doctor by disposing 1 acre of land. So that doctor, this patient has gone to a doctor. Doctor did not understand what this patient is got a problem. So when the doctor did not understand what he will do, he will recommend for so many laboratory tests. So he has written for 20,000-25,000 rupees. He went, because a big doctor, small doctor is not suggesting any test, big doctor. So he went and he got all the tests. He came back with the reports. After looking at the reports also, doctor did not understand anything. That means that still the problem is not clear about the patient. Then what the doctor has done, he has written 10 different medicines to the patient, thinking that one medicine is suitable to him. Thinking that one medicine is suitable. So this farmer who disposed of 1 acre of land felt very happy that hopeless doctor has written 1 or 2 medicines, which is a big doctor has written 10 different, he bought all the medicines, he consumed, the disease is cured. He came back very happy with the doctor. Doctor sounds so happy. This is what big doctors always, my disease is cured. Then the doctor is calling the patient, this one listen carefully, my dear patient, I have written serial number 1, 2, 3, 10 different tablets. Which tablet you felt that it is working for you? Sir, serial number 5, I think it's working. That's what. So doctor has immediately, I think for this disease, think the tablet is the correct one. How long, my dear students in management, without clarity of the problem, how long you are going to work on trial and error basis? That is what the trial and error basis you do it here, but don't do it in the organization. The product always is done on a trial and error basis in the laboratory. But when the product is going to be discharged in the market, and first of all, you are a product designer, seller, or whatever the designation that you wanted, and you should have a 100% clarity. That is clarity in terms of definition of the problem. When the problem is going to be clear, then the solution is going to be possible. Second approach in the management, do the trial and error in this end user. We correct it. When you are right, we appreciate, we praise you. But when you are wrong, we are happy. Because the environment has given a learning chance for you to do all these things. But we feel happy. You speak wrong, I will try to put you wrong into the right way. That's my responsibility. So that is what, this is the second point. So now I will give the students, now you tell me what are the next. Mic is not required, I am able to hear. No problem. If it is required, you take. మీరు మాట్లాడాల్సిందేనమ్మా. Please remove for a minute, no problem. Yeah, What is actually
the mass market as a market and
market events changing? That changes every year.
every year. That's
Every year.
very rapid.
Yeah.
That's the reason as we study now 2 years. After 2 years, the market will again change. Again, the trends will transfer.
Definitely.
To survive in that kind of market where trends changes in span of 1 year. Or
Definitely it will change. Yesterday I have gone to a barber salon to have a cut. Food show. That fellow said, sir, what cutting will do it for you? What cutting you will do it for me? Huh? No, sir. Particularly people with bald hair, they are very particular about the cutting. I said, if it is possible, you try to give 50% discount to me rather than charging 100%. Right? What cutting you see the marketing trend, the t-shirt what you have had, you have hair, you can do anything. Right? So that's what happens is that every day the marketing is going to change. That's what I'm trying to say. At the end of the day, what is your name?
Piyush Verma.
Piyush Vermaji Baito. You have to create a value actually. I ask a simple question, right? It is something like that, even you want to buy a salt packet, Mr. Verma, which salt packet you pick up? Tata salt. अरे salt को इतना technology तो नहीं चाहिए. You don't require even as a startup, entrepreneur, right? You also can start producing that mineral water, but people will buy Tata because he said Tata plus. What is plus? I don't know, right? And you pick up Tata salt. Why? You can pick up other brands because salt doesn't require huge technology. Tested technology is not required, right? Why you are picking up that one? One girl can answer anything. Why you want to pick up the Tata salt only? Brand image. You trust that there is a quality. That means whatever the product promoted by this company, and generally they have a market trust actually. That is what, my dear friends, and your question. Trust is the one you yourself has to build up in the market. You have to build up in the market. You have to, first one, you have to build up a trust from your parents. Your success will start from there. Right? I am taking parents means don't get bored actually. You have to build up a trust from your family members. That's parents. And you have to trust it, build up from the, whoever is not coming to the class, Varmaji will come to the class. Right? And even he is sleeping also, he never close the eyes. He will open his sleep. That a trust at least you try to build up. When you getting the term, we get a motivation. You see, generally what people talk, students has to be motivated. True. But you have to motivate the professors. You have to motivate the professors. There is no doubt that once you are motivating the professors, you see, and they will come out, that means you need to exploit them. But people will exploit in a different way. I want to say that knowledge base you have to exploit the professor there. Having book knowledge, they prepare 3 hours, 4 hours. They are publishing articles particularly from this college. Father never been keep happy, right? And he keep them happy by requesting them, by forcing, by publishing number of articles actually, right? That's what the knowledge is. That knowledge is definitely need to exploit. You doesn't require to read a very, very big stories. Whatever is contemporary that is available before you, if you are able to study, your success will start there only. Andukani, Dhirubhai Ambani, he says one thing. If you born as a fool, I repeat, if you born as a poor, poor in the sense, not in terms of money, in terms of the value, whatever it may be. If you born as a poor, it is not your mistake. But if you die as a poor, you join in this college as a poor student, I never mind. But once you are discharging from this college, you have to go with a rich knowledge about. That is my expectation actually. Try to remember. That means definitely you have to create the trust in the market. That means lot of value you have to create. Right? So this is the first answer for you. Build up the trust. How this is possible? By thinking logically, you develop a passion. You want to join in MBA, or your parents ask you to join MBA, or someone let me join MBA. what actually? You have a passion to join MBA or just somebody forced to do MBA? और आफ्टर MBA के बाद तो थोड़ा डाउरी ज्यादा मिलता, वो भी तो फैक्टर कुछ भी रह सकते, right? You should have a passion, and when you have a passion, my dear friends, if you see, definitely, automatically, even you don't want, the knowledge base is going to be created to you, right? That is the most important. No? I think I got your answer. And for that one, nothing you have to do, lot of hard work, right? అందుకనే when you see, my dear friends, you know the Bill Gates, I no need to tell you. Satya Nadella is our product, right? And they are not very intelligent support. Take their education background, they must have studied. But you know, logically they are very sound. Logically they are very sound. One day, Bill Gates has arranged a journalist meeting. Whenever you go to journalists, be careful. They are very clever people. And he asked her, in the next 5 to 7 years, Microsoft is going to create a wonder. Do you think that the journalist will keep quiet? If you are a journalist, what you are going to ask him? What is that wonder you are going to create? Then the right answer given by the Bill Gates. Dear friends, even I do not know what wonder I am going to create. Even I do not know what wonder I am going to create. But I am confident that definitely I am going to create a wonder. You see how confident he is? So that's what, my dear friends, you see, that kind of, you try to build up a kind of strength. Then మనం ఫైనాన్స్ లో అంటాము ఉందనా, దట్ ఈస్ గుర్తురావు, అదే చెప్తాను నేను. వాల్యూ క్రియేషన్, ఇన్హెరెంట్ వాల్యూ క్రియేషన్, right? So that inherent value creation we should adapt upon, right? So the product is having, looks is a one. Once you open the product, it looks some other thing, and when you are consuming the product, some other thing. That is, these are the 3 parameters you have to take care, right? So that is what the most important of the value creation. It's a good question. I think, please. We want to hear from girls. ఇంట్లో బాగానే మాట్లాడతారు కదమ్మా. You talk too much in the house కదా. చెప్తున్నాను, you feel that, that's what I said. I never said students అబ్బా. I said you are my friends actually, right? Okay, maybe this is a very early time that you need to speak about it. So one question I'll ask you, at least this question answer, say yes or no. Yes, come on.
Yes, this is Srilakshmi here. So just now you said that there are some market strategies to uphold our startup companies and all, right? Future marketing and all. So can you give us some market strategies that is helpful in our future?
Right. So, madam, I am not very handsome, because the person cannot be defined as a handsome with a bald head, huge personality. To look something like that, I prepared myself by putting here and that, this one, some type. At least people can see. When you are walking on a road, definitely ensure that you are a product. Your product has to be seen by the market people. First of all, whether they buy or not. For that, what you are going to do? Or issue that my Varmaji, you want to be seen by many people, because I cannot say to a girl, you want to be seen by many people. First of all, what you are going to do, when one Varma is going, preferably some boys has to see, much preferably some girl has to see you. What you are going to do, tell me. What you are going to tell me? In this hour. Focus, right? But you are okay. White skin, very good personality. But the people has to see, what should I do? The same way, what should I do? That is what, madam, I looks handsome. If I create some knowledge, if I create some value, at the end of the day, I look handsome even though I have a bald head. The reason I tell you, to be identified by you in the market, you have to prove yourself. In what way you are different from others? In what way your product is different from others? When you look at the Lux soap example, they said that improve Lux, new Lux, again improve Lux. What is improved actually? You tell me what is improved actually? Nothing is there. Packing, size, quality, and the heroine who is giving the advertisement, that is called improvement. What kind of improvement you can see actually? That is what, my dear friends, in any way, the market is going to be very dynamic. I think I got a clear talking to our professor's black box. The concept of black box. He was going to tell his children what is the concept of the black box. Once you open that box, from that box you will get a smell and you will get a suction, like air or whatever it may be, customer ideas. And definitely you have to meet the customer ideas in one form or the other actually. That's what the Tatas, they want to differentiate. Tata Water Plus. What is plus actually? Tell me, even they don't know what is plus. Yesterday I have seen a joke, right? And they have given such an advertisement. What is going to happen? Yesterday I have seen a funny advertisement, and our product is having such an improved R&D component, that is PVL P120. PVL P120. People said that excellent component is available. Then it has gone to a market, publicity, sales are increased like anything. I am the head of the institution. I called Verma ji, क्या करे इतना sales तो बहुत increase हो गए हैं. क्या what is that PVL P120? Sir, is nothing necessary. PVL necessary. Tell number 120. What? Customers doesn't know what is. They think that the greatest formula invention. And my marketing manager said that PVL P120. PVL is 120. That's what the people will hear. Not to confuse. Our functional is there to tell of number 120. Friends, that is what. If you are able to think logically, it is problem. Somebody said, I'm not getting. If you don't create a value while you are sleeping, I repeat, when you don't create a value while you are sleeping, in the future, you have to spend so many sleepless nights. You have to create a lot of value while sleeping. If you don't generate the value while sleeping, in the future, you need to spend so many sleepless nights. That is what the most important targeting of the creation. Okay? I think, madam, only one thing. To capture the market, if you ask me the techniques, right now it is not available. Even I tell the technique now, by tomorrow the technique is going to be outdated. Correct? So what I am trying to say here, and you try to watch the market very carefully, right? Generate the idea, right? Then definitely you are going to get a logical answer, madam. That is technique you try to use it. And further, the great books are not required. When you look at the Dhirubhai Ambani, what kind of great books you have? What kind of great books? He is a logical person actually. He knows the pulse of the market, right? That's what the pulse of the market you have to know. Or sometimes what is happening, even customer doesn't know what kind of product he wants actually. And you have to tell him. That's what yesterday the person Barbara has asked him, what kind of cutting I have to do. Don't talk like that. So here customer doesn't know actually what is expectation sometimes. He is such a person, right? He doesn't know what he wants actually. And you have to tell to that customer what he requires. That is what lot of SDLC process we have to go. In the first step of SDLC, system development life cycle, it is definitely the systems investigation, customer investigation, and identifying the problem, identifying the requirement of the customer. Then you do the engineering. If that is not work, do re-engineering. If that doesn't work, you do reverse engineering. Quote it lesson. Nobody is watching me. I remove this quote, put it in a reverse way. People will look at me in two different ways. I have a different personality. Quote put in a reverse way. This is one. Second one, I think this is a mad fellow. Who put the quote in a reverse way? Never mind. People saw me. People saw me. Let me focus on us. So try to do all these things in a systematic way. Learning process, all these things will come. So I am not going to give the whatever kind of contemporary techniques I have to give it to you. One contemporary techniques I am giving it to you. Try to prove yourself that you are different from others. I don't know what you are going to do. I do not know. Whether you want to put a lot of hard work or you interact with so many people, right? Or whatever you want to do it. Right? The other thing is that you have to prove that your passion towards the creation of something actually. That is the most important. Definitely you are going to success in the market. Tata's never put a product straight away. Because they don't want to withdraw from the market. They do the complete study, pulse of the market, pulse of the customer, right? All these things, right, you see, then only they are trying to put the price, right? Sometimes you want to increase your pocket money from your parents. You created the value already, but you adopted such a management technique. You see the good mood of your father, then you are going to ask the kind of pocket money you want it, right? So that is the definitely the value creation, my dear friends. You have to doubt the science right? Take one more. Expectations. Because I have a series of lecture. Adi locate ayinda idundi? No problem. Finally, when I am leaving, I will show you some small PPT. When Eagle is doing such a good job, why were humans definitely will do it, right? So that's the one. Take one more question from my friends, boys. None. Yes. Madam, please.
This is
one more time, just for me it is clear, for the others to be very clear. Don't do nama, that is important. Let me respond it. Yeah.
I want to know, sir, that when you start doing this re-engineering and reverse engineering, at what age?
Fine, madam. I am telling you, generally people will do the engineering. When you have to do the re-engineering and when you have to do the reverse engineering, it is a process, madam. Process never tells you when you have to do it. It is your responsibility. Continuously you have to do it. Product, Kaizen approach, what is the Kaizen approach? It is a continuous improvement actually. It is a continuous improvement. So you have done engineering, the product has been discharged into the market and you have completed MBA, engineering is completed, you have been employed by the company. That means you have seen the environment. Certain things are very favorable to you because you know them. Certain things you find a new. What you have to do the new? You have to do the engineering yourself. So when you have to do start the engineering, then you have to stop the engineering in the sense, no, there is no time. It's an every moment you have to do the re-engineering. Then at the end of the year, what is going to happen? You see that whether your product is 100% successful, then also you have to do the re-engineering. When your product is not successful, definitely you have to do it. With the option, you don't have an option. So at the end of the year, taking all the variables which you have already product is promoted, like positive points, I don't say negative, limitations. Negative, what is not there in the management. Actually, the limitations you need to correct. Then you decide whether this required re-engineering or completely the reverse engineering. Completely the reverse engineering. That is what you see, always you have to do it. That means when you have to start, you start now. Today, madam, I'll tell you, what time father they came to the college? 9. Up to how long you are going to stay? 2 o'clock. Good. Friends, assume that you came to the college by 9 o'clock. You have a knowledge point is 1. You have a knowledge point 1. And you are spending your precious time. You are sacrificing yourself. By sacrificing, come to the college, they are sacrificing a lot to listen the lecture. Lot of sacrifice you are doing. After sacrificing up to 2 o'clock, again recalculate what is your value point. Morning entunadi 1. 2 o'clock, it should be more than 1. Simple example I am trying to say. You try to do re-engineering. Calculate yourself whether you have generated more than 1 or not. When you generated more than 1, you are happy. But sometimes morning is also 1. After 2 o'clock also 1. No problem. Every day value creation may not be possible. But sometimes what happens, morning 1 you have, by evening it is decimated by 0.8 or 0.7. It is less than 1. Less than 1. Then you have to do reverse engineering. You see, the product fall like anything, right? Then definitely, in the first one, you have done morning is 1, evening is more than 1. You have to do re-engineering because to improvement. And morning is 1, evening also 1. Let us confine to re-engineering model. When it is decimated, your value is reduced by evening, even after spending so many hours in the college, then you have to do the reverse. Somewhere, unless you do the reverse engineering, right, it is not going to be possible. That's what a doctor tells always. People will give preference to keep the face very clean, neat, powder, etc., etc. Not important. You have to take care of your food. Because any diseases will start from food only. A person is about to die for the next 2 months or 3 months, doctor said, the disease will start from the food, not from the face. But we don't give that much importance. When you are looking at various products, you see, the last phase only is paid by the customer. He is not accepted your product. The reasons? You have to do the re-engineering. If it is required, reverse engineering. Reverse engineering is very rare matter. If you do it a number of times, reverse engineering is not required. That is what your question. When you have to do all these things in a sense, I don't have an answer. It's a continuous process. Every day, every moment, you have to do it. I have gone to a hotel to have father asked whether you have taken a breakfast or not. I went to a hotel. As usual, server came. Menu is available, but I told the server what is available. He got somewhat irritated, but very happily. Irritated happily. Sir, these are available. So I have evaluated various alternatives. Taking a dosha, very interesting one. But oil problem is there. Puri oil problem is there. So many problems are there with oily food. Then I said, you get the idli only, finally. Immediately he served the idli. He kept the idli like this. He served like this. No, I did not. Now itself I am asking, sir, every day this is the process with you. You come to the hotel, you ask what is available, finally, that's what I was looking at you only, I came with the idli only. Right, friends, here you see the differentiation of the customer section. Right, and value, and you try to identify one key variable. Who is going to put a value addition to you? Definitely your customers. Is customers or service or whatever it may be. And for one time, I don't feel that you are my customers only. Right? Once my customers are satisfied, year after year, semester fail, definitely I am going to be successful. Right? So that's why you try to adopt. Then automatically you will know that the way this server has done engineering or re-engineering or reverse engineering or whatever you feel, that is what definitely you are going to be successful or not. Right? Ultimately, this process has to continue for a longer time. Right? Suppose some doctor said the surgery has to be performed to a patient. Immediately you will go and sit on the operation theatre. You will go to second opinion, third opinion. When all the 3 opinions are correlated, then you will take out of these 3 doctors again which doctor the operation has to be performed. Here, outlook looks like no concept is there, but the scientific approach already adopted by this patient. Right? And that is possible. Reading the books, you will get a new concepts. But observation with a great logic, my dear friends, that is going to serve a lot. So this the process for you, madam. Engineering, you have to do it. Re-engineering, it is a responsibility you have to do it. When the fatal error has occurred, definitely you have to do the reverse engineering. That's what I am trying to say. Basically, I am a finance teacher. At the end of the day, whether you are marketing or HR, whatever it may be, your success is going to be counted always by two things. Whether you want to be like a Jesus Christ or Swami Vivekananda or somebody, because they are not very rich people, but they have created a lot of value. You want to be like that, or your success measured in the other way around, how much money you have earned. Decide now which one you want it. Once you become financially rich, your parents will respect you, your husband will respect you, you get a lot of fear because madam is earning, right? And you respect your, that's what, you respect your wife will respect you because husband is earning a lot, parents will respect you, husband will respect you, friends will respect you, society will respect you, what not. Lot of value creation you have done it. The moment you fail particularly, that's what as a finance person, always I pray finance, love finance, I live for finance, I die for finance. I have that much confidence of creation of the finance. The reason is, you take any example in the industry, Satyam Ramalinga Raju garu, Krushi Bank Venkateshwara Rao garu, Prudential Bank entire team, and our best friend Vijay Mallya sir, who performed third marriage, as soon as father that fellow lands in India, he will be put behind bars. But he is so confident he is performed the third marriage also. But that means no government can do anything. Right? All these people, they fail financially. Do you think that the market is going to believe them one more time? You are chance to go. Don't give any scope to fail, either financially, in other way around. So what is required is that when you are trying to perform a task in the management, we have postcard environment. I am not telling you the subject actually. And when you want to perform a task, think about for a minute whether this task can be performed or not. And when you say like this, my dear friends, I think whatever the decision that you take, 99% is going to be correct. Your business, the life is something like a ECG. When you are up, don't feel happy. When you feel happy, don't feel very happy. When it is down, don't be down. Ups and downs required for your improvement actually. And the straight ECG tells you dead. Okay? Straight ECG. That means up and downs definitely. You welcome all the problems. And whenever you are getting the problems, and the managerial approach always just tells you, you feel happy. You feel happy. And every problem you get, right? Intrinsic value. Intrinsic value. Everybody has to develop an intrinsic value. Inside value. That inside value which is going to create a lot of value in the future actually. Intrinsic value you should have. Person looks very small, normal, but the value he got inside is enormous. So that's what the Ratan Tata says. Another statement given by Ratan Tata, proud. He says that we are not business people. Reliance are business people. We are not. Then what are they? Tatas? Industries. They are industries. He says that we are not businessmen. And always he tells one important point, my dear friends. I take a decision, but once I have taken a decision, I work so hard to prove that decision taken by me is correct. I don't know whether my decision is correct or not, I do not know. But once I have taken a decision, I work so hard that whatever the decision I have taken, I will prove it definitely. My decision is correct. That is what the brain outcome of the doctors is Nano. When he promised the Nano, when Tata's promised that Nano for 1 lakh, the entire industry laughed at how it is possible, 1 lakh, but he proved it. Right? So that's the way you take a decision. But after taking decision, you came to know that it is not appropriate decision. It may not be correct decision. But now is a high time, my dear student friends. Whatever the decision you have taken, please prove that you are correct. That's what which is going to help you. Okay, this is the one. Any questions, please? Please, what's your introduce yourself first. Your communication skills started today, friend. I am telling you, continue. Atlan చెప్పేసి మరి క్లాస్ టీచర్ని డిస్టర్బ్ చేయొద్దు, మాటి క్వశ్చన్స్ అడిగి, రైట్? That is also not correct. Please, your communication skills started today. These 2 years, develop such a communication. Training will not help you. Self-training, it is most important. Yes, what's your name? This one. Yeah.
Morning, sir. My name is Ahmed Alka. Sir, how do I improve my confidence and remove any stage fear and nervousness that I have?
So, that is definitely important concept. You see, I don't recommend you to read too many stories. First one, for the first time a person who boarding in the flight, when the flight is taking off, when the flight is landing, he will have a fear. How it is going to be, means some people, because I have a mother, first time I want to board her flight because she did not board. So my flying hours are around 1,100 hours flying from either Delhi to Orly, that I will count. So when my mother is boarding the flight, I have a lot of fears. I have some people, when the flight is taking off, they have shouted, they cried, and this lady is relaxing like anything. First time, I got a lot of fear actually. And he said, you can come this side, I want to see the window side. Because I put for the aisle side actually, because nothing is visible. Window means you see that how the flight is going on. Now the complex of the fear. First, my dear friend, you remove that word from your mind. Remove that word from your mind. But still you may be having a problem. For that one, lot of interaction with the friends, relatives, environment, speak on. And try to identify actually what point creating a fear for you. Practice that point 100 times. Practice the same point for 100 times. That's what I told you in the beginning itself. Intelligent students will read 1 time, they will understand. And your professor Nageshwar is not intelligent. I read you 2 times and 3 times, fails everything was 1 more time. What is there? Huh? So that is the most important aspect. This is a quite common offense. Everybody is having a fear. Practice. Either practicing. I don't believe to go for an operation for a qualified doctor. I want to go with such a doctor for an operation without qualification, but he has performed 1,000 operations successfully. Qualification matters, but the experience matters a lot. That's why when you have seen so many industrialists, you see what kind of qualifications they have. Qualification matters, but not that much matters. Your logic always matters. Your practice matters. Your approach matters. Your behavior matters. Right? So that is what definitely you are going. Stage fear is there. Come talk 10 times. Like the time, why should you have fear? And people has to fear from you. Right? That is the important concept, my dear friends. That's what. And I'll try to ask you one question to you. If I ask you a question, how many students wants to have a very successful career in your life? Entamandi? Good response. I am happy. At least first confidence you have built up. First stage you have crossed, and you are very clear that you want to have a very successful career. Let us see after 2 years. That's what a school teacher. There are 20 students. Practically he has conducted. I am not getting his name. Maybe Father is an English professor. Father will tell you after some time. He got 20 students. He came with a sweet box. He gave it to all the students. He told, kindly open. Everybody opened. Right? Sweets, so tasty sweets before that. Then he said, I got, the headmaster is calling me. I will come after 15 minutes, but I request you not to eat that sweets. Intentionally, he went for 15-20 minutes spent, and he has seen, out of 20 students, 15 students they ate the sweets. 5 students did not, and they are thinking some other thing actually. That means, while eating us, that's what I told you, while sleeping you have to create the value. If you don't create the value while sleeping, you have to spend lot of sleepless nights in the future. Adinduku? Pure alochiddam mana. So after he conducted the survey, he has taken all the names of these 20 people. These 5 people who did not eat the sweets, they reached such a